Not yet. Don't look yet.
Hold on.
It's coming.
Now? No.
In 1 minute, it's coming.
Wait.
It's a nice birthday present. You're going to be so happy.
Birthday present, JD. Are you ready to look at it?
Are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, go. Oh, what is that?
What is it, JD?
Oh, JD.
What do you say?
But the hood is
Blake, go in the back.
dented.
JD, what'd you get?
Wait, wait.
Whoa.
Hold on.
It must have popped in.
Put it in your mouth like so you can get hair. JD, what'd you get, buddy? What'd you get, JD?
Good. No, you leave it there. You don't...
Whoa! Whoa! What do you say to me?
You didn't? Oh, you got to do that because they used to hang. Yeah, you have them, right? You didn't have them?
JD!
They wear them all the time.
This one.